the best Reese's ever.
Don't lock it because the fucking horn just...
Yeah, it's more of a toot toot horn than it is a boop boop horn. No doubt. Right. Hey Matt, what are we doing today?
Fixing something else that broke.
Well, I mean, it ain't this is not your fault. The other one, the ball joint, was totally
Also not my fault.
okay. So what we're actually going to be doing today is we're going to be doing what's known as the Trapdoor mod to please the fuel pump gods. Because after we got done with the S10, literally last weekend, Matt left here in the Trans Am and the fuel pump died not even a mile away, and I had to pull him back on a tow strap in my truck.
So about 6 inches, so here.
It's looking a lot more like 3 inches, bro.
Okay, there's 3 inches.
Oh, solid. Yeah, that's some of that, that's an old Scotch wire from like Walmart.
Yeah, look at the fucking wiring.
I don't know why they did that.
No wonder my
dude, now that I know that
speakers-
exists, we're gonna have to fix that. I can't.
It's like, same thing on that side. I have to cut the entire
I wish you
fucking
wouldn't have pointed
harness.
this side out to me because I wasn't even paying attention to it.
Yeah, no, it's...
Hey, check it out.
Whoever, yeah, that's the
Theft
alarm.
deterrent.
That's the factory alarm
Theft
thing.
deterrent shock sensor.
No, that's the factory thing. But that's factory.
Okay, well,
That's
that's still that. Is this, dude? This is the original spare.
yeah.
That's kind of neat. All right, little Juanito. How far? What? Oh, yeah, that's what you were measuring earlier. What's the belt for?
This car probably.
Oh no, I thought you were. I was trying to say, why'd you bring a belt for drilling a hole for a fuel pump?
It's just here. I have no idea what the fuck all this shit is.
It's probably from the gerbils.
Wouldn't surprise me.
Yeah, remember, don't go too far.
Eat.
Hey, dude.
Hey.
Cut that motherfucker on through. Hey, it's your car. Run it. Do what you want to do.
What do you mean by run? It's a hole.
I know. Okay. All right.
Neat. This probably is not a big enough hole, so.
Well, you can use them. Somebody's probably strong enough to. Hey! Oh hell, that's somebody's take a bigger bit than that. Here. Look at a half. Look at a half. Hey! Hey yo! Here, give me your mop. How far down is your tank? Oh, it's right there.
Yep. I see why people do this with actual power tools.
Huh. And now for a word from our sponsors, Ghost Energy. Give it a sip, let her rip. Citrus Peak, probably. Definitely not a sponsor. They also have other flavors such as I Wish It Was Bang. Golly gee, Bang was better. Well, we got the location pretty much spot on though.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we give it a rip. Just in that one rough area right there. Damn, that's aggravating as hell, ain't it? Well, that will work better. Just being right here, apparently. How far?
To the edge.
Oh,
we are over there. That way we have access to the, what you call this?
Hey, did you know the feds are trying to say that they added words like based and shit like that to their domestic terrorist watch list words? good. God damn, that scared the shit out of me.
You know why I wasn't going fast? Because of that.
Sorry. It smells like hair. That metal. Oh, that's what they meant by hair metal. You're welcome.
That's where the fuel is. I was also making sure that you wasn't gonna hit the fuel lines.
A little bit of plier work, a little bit of hammer work. It's so much. Why are you jittering so much? What the hell is?
Because I was like on the tiptoes and like.
Oh, dude, I thought. Got it. That's it.
That it is. There goes.
Ah, yes. Present us with the new. Oh yeah, we got some crimpage and some zip ties on a Walboro 255. We're not sure it's gonna work, but hey, we're gonna find out. I have got 100% faith in what we have accomplished here, or what I have rigged up here.
This works.
Oh, it's gonna work, man. I have my hands on it. Flip it. So before we close it back up, we want to make sure that it's gonna run to this first. Seems that it's working. Time to get my caulk out. Cinder.